students, once again very warm welcome to all of you this computer class. Today we are going to discuss a computer uh, second chapter, more on Windows, more on MS Windows 7. So today we will discuss the second chapter. Okay, second chapter. What is chapter name? More on MS Windows 7. So this is a chapter title. It's a second chapter. Okay, it's a second chapter. Okay, more on MS Windows. So MS means it's a Microsoft. So Microsoft Windows 7 operating system is a operating system. It is a system software. So we will discuss one by one. Now you are you can see in the space when you are open your laptop or PC or desktop PC or laptop, whatever. When you start your PC, you can see the screen that we called as a desktop. Okay, so we called as a desktop this whole area. Then downside you can find the one lengthy thin bar that we called as a status bar. Okay, it is a status bar. So the downside of the thin area we called as the status bar. Then in desktop you can find many pictures. Okay, so these pictures different logos, then this picture different logos, then this one, then this one, every one different logos, different shapes. Each and every logo pictures have different logos. So this picture we called as a icon. So what we call this picture? Icon. Every picture we called as a icon. This whole area means this whole area we called as a desktop. Then downside of the lengthy bar we called as a status bar. Okay, then this right side you can find time date. Okay, you can find the time and date. Okay, now you know it's a desktop, I told you. Then these pictures we called as icon. So in software, no, it's application software, example TeamViewer, then 360 Total Security, VLC Media Player, then Wondershare, Filmora, Acrobat, Reader, then Firefox, then antivirus, then Power ISO, then Zoom, then VLC Media Player, then many softwares are there. Lakhs of softwares available nowadays in our IT field. No, we have many softwares. Each softwares have different logos, different look. Okay, different purpose. Suppose in this place I want to tell you something important one. Firefox is the web browser software. Okay, it is used to browse the internet. Means it browse web applications. If you want to visit any website, example our school have website, if you want to see our school environment structure, then we can see through this Firefox. So Firefox is the web browser application. It's a software. We can browse internet. So if you want to access internet, we can start to Firefox. So Firefox have different logos. So suppose if you see this logo, it's a Acrobat Reader. It's a portable document, no, PDF file. So nowadays if you want to send any portable means document, official document for your office document or anything, if you want to send as a permanent format, no one cannot change. So that kind of format we can use this kind of software. That everyone know it's a, we can play video and audio, right, like this. Then 360 now I have installed as a antivirus, no, because we are using internet. So internet there have some virus. The virus may be going to affect our computer PC, no. So that's why I want to protect my PC. That's why I install antivirus. Then dustbin, it is a if you delete any file, unwanted file, that file directly does not erase that file, it directly comes into this place, dustbin. We call it as a dustbin, as the name is recycle bin. Then another for TeamViewer. So many softwares are there, we call it as a icons. Okay, so today actually I am giving this introduction. It's a window, it's a desktop. We can many pictures, we call it as a icons. I told you every icons have different logos. Then the downside bottom of the lengthy area we call it as a status bar. We have many icons here also because we want to access quick access. First icon, if you see this is a start button. If you want to start any application, no, you have to choose in this area actually. But I pin all the important software. See, daily I am using this kind of software. For my Firefox, if I will use daily. Then is a MS Word I use daily. Then is a Notepad is also I will use regularly. Then many softwares are there. So which software I use regularly? No, I pinned in this downside area. This bar, no, I will pin that regularly which software I am using. So I pin downside. Or else I have to open the start button. Then I want to search here. What I want to open, suppose I want to open Microsoft Excel, so Excel, so then you can find, then open. So it will take some time, no. So what I will do, simply I will pin downside this bar, no. So once I pin, I can start directly, no need to search. So that's why. So if you want to start quickly, we can keep all the application in downside. Okay, now I'm coming to our point. Actually we want to discuss in window, no. So once I open, see, I will tell you, this is the file explorer. This folder, if you click, no, we can see our all folders, files, folders name. We can see all our folders. Example, if I open, no, that you can see one window. Okay, we can see one window. That window have many tools are there. I will tell you one by one. What are the tools are there? First in right side, no, right side here, if you see here the multiplication symbol, no, this is a close button. If you click this, the window is closed. Again if you want to open, again you have to click. So it's a close button, the right side. Then next one is a maximize button. See, maximize button, or we call it as a restore down button, means if you click this, it will the size will be decreased. Again if you click this, the size will be increased. So we call it as a maximize button, second one. Then third one, it's a minimize button. See, if you click now, it's a minimized. Again if you click here, that it will open. So it's a minimize button. So I hope you understand these three buttons, what are the use. First one, if you click this, it will close. Then that second button, it's a maximize button. If you click once, the size will be reduced. If you click again, it will increase. It means big size. Then third one, it's a minimize button. If you click, it goes the downside. Then again if you click now, it will come original form. Okay. Then this is the top of the window. Okay. Here you can find some menu. What's the menu? File, computer, view. What is that? We will discuss one by one. First I am going to tell about the computer icon. This is the computer icon, no? See, it's a small computer icon. Here also you can find. See, it's a computer icon. So this is the main icon. It's a desktop icon. Okay. So we want to learn about the next one, address bar. Which is the address bar? If you look at here the computer diagram is there, is picture. Then after that this PC, then after that one empty space is there, no. If you click here, you can find here many, means address. If you want to open any folder, suppose I want to open documents, no, documents. Inside document I want to open Zoom. Then inside Zoom I want to open another folder, like any folder. So see, now I open some file. If you look at here, see, this is a root, it is path, C:/user Thiru documents Zoom, then 2021 23rd 7, that's Tirupati personal meeting room, like this. This is the address bar, because this is the one file, it's a video file. I find that address, where is that? This is the address of the file. So we call it as a address bar. So we call this the address bar. Okay, so this is the address bar. So I open some file, any file, you can open any file. So I open that download folder. I will open any one file. So I will open this file. So I open this format. So what is the address of that file? The address is, where is it? Download. Download is the folder name. In that folder I can find this file. So the all the files of address is showing in this place. So that's why we call it as a address bar. Okay, then right side, if you see here, one box is there, it's a search button. So here if you look at it, in download folder, no, I have many files, more than 100 files are there. In this file I want to find any one file, any one particular file. So how to find? I will search one by one, no, each and every file I want to check, but I want to search quickly. What to do? So I will type here final. I want to find a final. What are the files are there in the word final, that all the files will be shown. So I want to find another file, suppose example class 6. If I type here class 6, see, many files are there. Class 6 are many files are there. So you can search and find quickly using this search button. Okay, then in if you see in left side, you can find then menu bar, no. So here you can see menu bar, menu control bar, home, share, view, search, play, like this menu bars are there. Then after that, downside, it's a backward button. So if you click this button, again came back. If you click this button, it's a forward button, then again come forward. So it's a backward button, it's a forward button. You can jump forward and backward using this button. Then this up button, if you click it, directly it go up. Again if you click that backward, no, it come back. So these three, backward, forward, up button are there. This is the address bar. This is the search button, search bar I told you. Then the left side you can find some folders. Folders, first one, desktop, means I told you, no, when open your computer, it's showing desktop. That place, that area we called as a desktop. In that desktop, what are the files are there? We can see using this folder. If you click this button, you can see all the pictures are there. You can find. Okay. Then second one, download folder. If you use your computer in internet, if you connect your computer to internet, no, if you are downloading to internet any song or a movie, whatever may be, all the files will be stored in this place only. So see, I downloaded all the files from internet. These all the files I have downloaded from internet. So if you download any file, Word document, PDF document, picture, movie, songs, whatever, it will stored defaultly stored in this folder, download folder only. Okay. Then recent places. So in this whole month, where you visited, what are the files you check, you just see that all the list is available in these places. Then downside, you can find this PC. In this PC we can see our hard disk capacity. See, I have 500 GB hard disk, so I have partitioned two drive, C drive and D drive. In C drive I had capacity 59 GB. 59.6 GB. In this drive, no, I kept all the operating system files, means system files, and then softwares, operating system files, our applications files, everything I kept in this folder. So I don't use my personal use in this folder. So C drive always system use. Then if you have another drive D or E maybe, that we will use our personal use. So in my D drive I will keep some folders, books. I have stored some books. So photos, we can keep photos separately. Then I have many folder for is a personal use. So two is a C drive, is a D drive. Then if you look at it in the here downside, desktop, I already told you. Documents, if you open any MS Word or a Notepad or Excel, this software, no, you can type and you can save defaultly in documents folder. Okay. Then I told you download folder. If you use your computer, if you connect internet, if you download any songs or pictures, it will download directly in this folder. Okay, I told you. Then music, there have one folder, it's system allocated folder. We can store our, if you have any music. Okay. Then picture, we can store our pictures only. Then videos, we can store our videos. Okay. So I have hard disk 500 GB. It has only two partitions, C drive and D drive. We call it as C drive, D drive. Then another one, we know back button, forward button, minimize button, maximize button, restore button, close button. Then scroll bar. Now if you want to understand scroll bar, no, so I will open my download folder because I have many files here. If you have many files, no, you can't see at same time all the files. So what happened? We have to drag and drop using scroll bar. This is called scroll bar. You can you can click the scroll bar, you can move up and you can move downside. So it's a scroll bar. Then status bar, if you see now, now I have selected one file, example official format for worksheet. I have selected. Once I selected, no, if you see in the status bar here, one item selected, that capacity is 221 kilobyte. So if I select another file, suppose I select another Excel file, see I have selected one file, that capacity is 19.4 kilobyte. But total files are, how many files are there in this drive? It means that folder 254 files items are there. So in this kind of information we can see on the status bar. Okay. So I hope you understand what is status bar, what is scroll bar, then which is a close button. Okay, it's a close button. Then which is a maximize button. Then minimize button. You can know, you can understand. Then which is forward, forward, backward. So it is a backward button, it's a forward button. Then so this much only. Then this is the address bar, you know, address bar. So I hope you understand this tutorial, students. Just if you have a laptop or computer, just see this kind of options where it is there. So thank you, students.